Welcome to Munjas Academy. Today we have a fraction right here. It looks like a complex fraction, but it's doable, right? So let's see how we can do this real quick, right? So right here we have, open a bracket, here we have 3 over 4 of 4 over 9 divided by 9 whole number 1 over 2, close the bracket, divided by 1 whole number 5 over 19, right? So as you can see right here, you have off right here. The off means what? Multiplication sign, right? It means multiply. You could use PEMDAS, you could use what? BODMAS, depending on what country you are watching from, right? So what we're going to do right here, both are correct. So what we're going to do right here, we go to treat what is in parentheses first, what is in bracket first, we go to treat them first before we go outside, right? So let's proceed. So let me change to my black pen. Here, open a bracket, right? I have 3 over 4, right? The off right there change to what? Multiplication. Here you have what? 4 over 9, right? Divided by, so 19 whole number 1 over 2, right? This is a mixed fraction. So I'm going to change to what? Improper fraction, right? Change to improper fraction. I'm going to have 9, 2 times 9 is going to give me what? 2 times 9 is going to give me 2 times 9 is going to give me what? 18. 18 plus 1 is going to give me what? 19. 19 over what? 2. This is what? Improper fraction, right? So let me go to my black ink. So here I'm going to have 19 over 2, close the bracket, right? Divided by, so yeah, I can do everything in the bracket and move outside, but let me just do everything right at the same time. I'm going to see the word what is outside right now. So I'm going to do the same thing I just did with the word 19 number 1 over 2. Here I'm going to have 19. I'm going to have 19, sorry. I'm going to have 19 times 1 is equals what? 19 times 1 is going to give me what? 19, right? So plus 5 is going to give me what? 24. Right? And it's going to be what? 24 over what? 19, right? So let's proceed. I go to my black ink again. So I'm going to have 24 over 19. So we proceed. So at this junction, what we're going to do right here. So in this brackets, in this parenthesis, we can see something will come right here, right? So what we're going to do right here, 3, 9, 3 go to 3 is going to be 1. 3 go to 9 is going to be what? 3, right? 4 go to 4 is going to be 1. 4 goes to 4 is going to be 1, right? So open a bracket. I'm going to have 1 over 1 times 1 over 3, right? Divided by what? 19 over 2, right? Close the bracket. Divided by what? 24 over 19. We proceed. So at this junction right here, we're going to have, open a bracket, we're going to have 1 over 3 divided by 19 over 2, close the bracket, divided by what? 24 over 19. So we proceed. So at this junction right here, we're going to have something different right here. So this division sign is going to change to multiplication sign, and when it does that, the 2 goes up and the 19 comes down, right? So let's do that. So open a bracket, we have 1 over 3. So right here, we're going to have multiplication sign. So when we have that, we're going to have 2 at the top, which is numerator, and we're going to have what? 19 at the bottom, or at the bottom as what? The denominator, right? So here, close the bracket, have what? Division sign, and you're going to have what? 24 over 19, right? So we proceed. So at this junction right here, we're going to marry what? The 2 of them, right? So when we marry this, we're going to have, open a bracket, we're going to have 2 over, so here you're going to have what? 3 times 19. Your first multiplication, like mental math, you're going to use your mental math right here in your brain. You're going to have what? 3 times what? 19. What I do in this point, I just say 3 times 20, which is 60 minus 3, right? So I have what? I have what? 3 times 20 equals 60 minus 3, which is what? 57, right? So that's what I do, right? So here I'm going to have what? 57, right? So remove the bracket right now. So, or let me see, put the bracket right now. You have what? Divided by what? 24 over 19. So we proceed. Here we're going to have what? 2 over 57 divided by 24 over 19, right? So what I do at this point right now, so you see this division sign right here, it's still going to change to what? Multiplication sign. And when it does that, 19 goes up and the 24 comes down, right? Similar thing we did before, right? So here, I'm going to my black ink. I'm going to have 2 over 57 times, it changes now, times 19 over 24, right? We proceed. So at this junction, we're going to have, so here you can see these numbers, these figures are really big. So multiply them will give you some kind of like difficulty. So for you to do it easy, so like you're going to have, you have something in common between what? 2 and 24. You have something in common between what? 57 and 19, right? Remember, so 19 times 3 gives us 57. So we can divide it also, right? So yeah, we're going to have what? 2 divided by 2, 1. So 24 divided by 2 is going to be what? 12, right? So it's going to be 12. Then 19 divided by 19 is going to be 1. 57 divided by 19 is going to be what? 3, right? So here we're going to have what? 1 over 3 times 1 over 12, right? We proceed. So here we're going to marry them. So we have 1 times 1 is going to give us 1 over 3 times 12 is going to give us what? 36, right? So the answer is what? 1 over 36. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe, like and share. If there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.